Hi, I'm Amanda, and this is Buttercup. She's 10 years old, but acts like she's 2. And this is Ananda, our home for the last 8 years. We hope you enjoy this tiny peek into our liveaboard life on the west coast of British Columbia.
Morning. It's about, why am I whispering? I don't know why I'm whispering. I always think that my voice will carry over the water. I'll wake people up. Buttercup and I are going to leave Von Donop Inlet today. It's such a beautiful day outside. I want to try and get some drone shots before I leave. I'd really love to do it right now, but I just don't want to wake people up. Yesterday, Buttercup and I were one of 2 boats in here, and at around, I think I was in my boat working, and at around 10 a.m. I heard an anchor dropping. So I looked outside, and I couldn't believe what I saw. There were 16 boats that showed up within 2 hours of me starting to work, and I didn't even hear any of them. But it's crowded in here now, so I think it's time for me to go. Also, too, I want to try and find some internet because I haven't had internet for about 7 days. So probably head back to Rebecca Spit for a couple of days and try and dig up some internet there. So my plan is to leave here at close to high tide, which is about 10:30. When you're leaving or arriving into the inlet, there's a really big rock at one point, and I arrived at low tide and the current was so strong, I literally had to gun it, and I only got about 1.2 knots. So yeah, I don't want that to happen again. Anyway, so I think I'll get Buttercup to shore and maybe pull up my drone. Hopefully I don't wake people up.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Buttercup and I are underway. What time did we leave? We left at around probably 9 o'clock. No, yeah, 9 o'clock. But we didn't actually get out of the inlet until probably like 10 o'clock. It took us like an hour. We went really slow though. Yep, so we're on our way to Rebecca's Spit, and I'll stay there for a couple of days. I already told you that. I'm going pretty slow, so it should take us about probably 3.5, 4 hours maybe to get to Rebecca's Spit. So yeah, it's a beautiful day, and yeah, it's great out here.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Hi, so Buttercup and I are still in Rebecca's Spit. It's been pretty nice. The wind yesterday was about 17 knots, but it felt like 25. It was blowing pretty good, but it calmed down at around 8 o'clock, and then we had an amazing sunset. It was really nice. I'm still in Rebecca's Spit because my engine overheated quite badly on the way here from Bondana. It got to about 200 degrees Celsius. A friend of mine very kindly is going to take the ferry over from the mainland to come and take a look at it. But he can't do that till Monday, so we're gonna hang out here until Monday. Right now, I am just on my way to Harriet Bay to get some groceries. I've left Buttercup on the boat. It's a super calm day, and I won't be gone long. But I'm just hanging out here because I'm right in the middle of Drew Harbour, because the BC Ferry is in the dock at Harriet Bay, and I just saw the last car loading, so that means he's gonna pull out any second, and until he's gone by, it's not safe for me to actually go through. Cloudy day, but hot as heck.
See the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.